Hi everyone, it's Anna from the Salon Live here. Today I wanted to make a quick video and show you the differences between the Nova Flair T1 that I just got yesterday and my old system WTC that I used to use at my nail desk, and also the Airvex source capture system that I use for the pedicures. So here it is. So the T1 installs right under your desk, and I use the existing hole that I used to use, fingerprints here, with the WTC. And WTC is a machine that's it sits on a side and it has a hose like this that was installed underneath and it connected with this hole. So let's listen to the Nova Flair. So I have it set on the 1/3 speed, and I find actually it's enough for what I use it for, and I mostly do gel polish, and I do file off the top coat, and I would say with certain brands the color as well. So today it worked really well. I had no dust on the table. I had some dust on the gloves, but that was it. All the other dust, no dust in the air whatsoever, and it was super quiet. It was actually obviously more quiet than WTC. So here it is. So I'm gonna turn it on. And here it is. So I will also show you how this sounds on half speed. The sound doesn't really change much, I have to say. And this is the high speed. On high speed it's a little bit louder, but it's still, you pretty much hear just the air moving, but it doesn't sound like a loud machine at all. So this is what I was using it on, this level. Now I'm gonna turn this one off, and I'm gonna turn the WTC on, and I'm gonna be in the same area, so it's a good comparison. If I can reach it. There it is. And actually I find, because I made another video, of course, that didn't kind of work. I have to record like 5 videos to explain one story. But anyway, so when I listened to the previous video, I noticed that the sound actually sounds louder than this in real life. So you probably might think that this is really loud, but it's not at all. So the WTC has more of a humming kind of sound. It's a very low sound, and it wasn't bad at all. Like, it doesn't really you can still talk very easily. Okay, there it is. And now we're gonna walk over to my pedicure area, and I'm gonna turn this one on. Now I have this little remote control, and when you turn it on, it goes automatically to the medium level. So I'm gonna turn it on. It takes a minute to get a little bit louder. So what I do when I work with a client, I put the hose about here, so when their feet are over here, it sucks everything up. So now I'm going to put it on a low setting. So during the pedicure, what I do is when I file the nails by hand, I use the low setting. But then when I use electric file for certain parts of my pedicure, I use it on a medium setting, because I find that the electric file creates finer dust, and I definitely don't want to be breathing it in. And I barely use it on a high setting, because I have to say on a high setting, It's quite loud. So I'm gonna put it in a middle or medium setting, okay? Again, so you can hear the difference. So this is low. This is medium. And this is high. So the high is quite high. Sorry, the high is quite loud, I have to say. Okay, and this is low again. I'm gonna turn it off now. So overall, I have to say the Aerovex is great, especially for pedicures, because not only it has a HEPA filter, but also it has a carbon filter, so it really sucks in all the not only the dust, but also the even viruses and bacteria and mold spores and everything else. So it's very, and it has a lot of carbon in it. The Nova Flair has a filter, so it has two different filters that you can put in it. It has a dust filter, which I have in it right now. The next one that I'm gonna order, it will have a layer of carbon. So it has, I think it's called enhanced filter, and it does have like a condensed layer of carbon, so it also absorbs some of the fumes and the smells and the Vox as well. So that's it. These are the three filters. So I'm gonna keep the WTC as my backup now, just in case I ever have to, in case anything happens to the Nova Flair, which I don't think it will, because it's a really, really well-made unit. It has a 10-year warranty. And I know a lot of people that have these filters and they're very happy with them, so I don't think anything is going to happen, but I like to have backups of pretty much everything that I use. So I will keep the WTAC in case anything happens. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so this is the EFILE sound, and let's compare this. This is on like 1/3 without the EFILE. That's quiet, and now I'm gonna turn this off and put the WTAC on just to compare.
Oh wow.
It's not a bad sound because it's humming,
Yeah.
but it's much louder.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the one. That's why I still kept it to show people, and then let's see how this works. This is on 1/3.
It's very funny.
Mm-hmm. Do you see any dust flying? No. So we did this on purpose, just so we have something to file. Yeah, this is amazing. It all goes in. So we're not usually worried with the dust that even settles on the hand, because that's a big enough that we can just, you know, brush it off, whatever. What you're trying to prevent is the dust that's really super fine that you ended up breathing.
Right.
That's the most dangerous one. It's the fine, fine dust. Can you see? I'll move this a little bit more. Let's see that.
You can see it.
Yeah, just goes all of it. And that's 1/3 speed. I think at a full speed it's gonna suck in the towel. And the gloves.
Yeah.